Welcome to Drupal Learn. Today we're going to see how to install devel module and use Kint for debugging purpose. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and log in. Fire up the terminal. Let's install devel first. Then do composer require Drupal / devel. Now devel is the latest version 4.1 that is being downloaded. Let's go ahead and install this. Look for devel generate. This is for generating dummy contents. For now we just leave it as such. Let's go ahead and install devel. So once you install devel, you need to make sure you have to choose the devel settings. Under variables temper, you need to choose Kint. As you can see, Kint is not available. You may need to install external dependencies for the use of this plugin. So you can install this plugin like just window composer require Kint-php Kint. So that will fetch the latest Kint version 3.3. Now you have to clear the cache once so that it picks up the Kint here. Now you can see you can choose Kint and save configuration. Now let's get back to the site and choose a node. For example, let's choose this node, and a node is nothing but a form, so you can like try debugging the form for now. Custom module, which is Drupal learn. Let's go ahead and open the module, and in order to use a form hook, I'm using hook form alter. So we need this dependency class as a namespace. Yeah, we got the namespace. Let's just print. So in order to print using Kint, use ksum of like Drupal welcome, some random string. Let's go ahead and reference this page. It won't show up because for any new hooks you need to flush the cache. Only then the hook will be picked up. You have to do it for the very first time. So you can see here it shows Drupal learn welcome. Now let's check the print the form ID for this form. Ksum of $form underscore an ID, which is in the arguments. We are just printing it. Save this. So the form ID is node article edit form. So if you go to the view page, search block form, this is the form ID of this form. Now you can see the string is being represented for every form. So we need to restrict this to this edit page. So we can go ahead and add a condition if $form underscore ID is not equal to, let's copy this, do a return under else, just control cut this and then paste it here and save the code. Now if you go to the view page, you won't see it there because we have restricted this using this form ID. So you can see, you see Drupal and welcome. Now let's go ahead and try to debug it further. For example, let's print the form itself and then try to access the form elements under this. Go ahead and refresh this. Yeah, the form is an array, you can see. As you can see, you get a lot of stuffs here. Now what we are trying to do is we are trying to access some of these fields such as tags, body, and summary. If you can access this, you can see this here. There's a field image, and there's a field tags, and there's a field test. And as for the body, it's a container. So now let's try to access the body field. So into $form of body. So you can see $form of body, that's a container. There's a parent attributes, and it has attributes is field type text with summary. These are the classes. So if you want to add some class to this body field, you just have to choose this hash attributes and then add a class. Let's go ahead and try this. Hash attributes class. Now it will display all the classes that is being attached to this body field element, as you can see. So let's just say we can add our own custom class. I copy this entire array. So now to add a new class, you need to give an array format, and let's just say Drupal itself and custom. Okay, probably there is some typecasting error. Let's go back. I think it has to be without array. Now let's see if it is added. No, it is not added. That's because we're printing it before adding the class. Now let's put this note here. Let's refresh this page. Now you can see the class is being added here. Even to confirm, you can inspect the DOM here. Let's inspect and choose the body. So what is this term? Yeah, so this is the entire body wrapper. As you can see here, we have our custom class Drupal learn custom here. Likewise, you can pretty much access each and every attributes and elements properties through this array structure by doing a ksam, and you can modify, you can edit and add whatever you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel